Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError zip object is not subscriptable. A zip object is an iterator of tuples that aggregates elements from multiple iterables. It can be created by passing two or more iterables to the zip function. Here's an example of a zip object. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. However, if you tried to subscript a zip object using square brackets to access a specific item, you will get a type error. This is because zip objects are not subscriptable like lists, tuples, or other sequences in Python. To access a specific element from a zip object, you can convert it into a list or tuple and then subscript it. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Note that once you convert a zip object into a list or tuple, it will be consumed, which means you cannot iterate over it again. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.